This is Gadget Stop 321, and today I'm going to be taking a closer look at my E95s with a fine nib. Now, recently I've been doing writing samples of all my fountain pens that have fine nibs, and I noticed that my E95s was not writing as precisely as I remembered it. And I thought, well, I've had this pen for quite a while. I thought maybe I'm just remembering incorrectly. And as I went through and did the writing samples on various types and qualities of paper, I really thought this is not writing how I remember it. It's putting down a lot more ink, and it's not just writing wetter. The ink it's spreading the ink out. So I thought, well, it looks like it's behaving like there are some paper fibers that are caught between the tines, and it's wicking the ink out, making it write messier. So I thought, well, I'll get some brass sheets and floss the tines. I'm just going to run the brass sheets or a brass sheet between the tines and floss it out like you floss your teeth. And so I went to Goulet Pens, and 2 brass sheets cost between $4 and $5. And I thought, well, if that's what you have to do to make your pen write better, I think it's worth the investment. And then I started going through the checkout process, and shipping was going to be another between $4 and $5. And I thought, oh man, it's going to be around $9 or $10 for these brass sheets, and I don't know for sure that that's what the problem is. So I went on Amazon and got a little inexpensive jeweler's loupe. Now, this it was between $9 and $10, but I figured this is something I will use. I've kind of wanted a loupe for a while. It's got, let's see, it's got the 22 millimeter 30 times lens and a 12 millimeter 60 times lens, and each one has a LED. And I have not tested this. I guess I probably should have before, but I'm going to see if we can see anything. Now I don't know if this is going to work. You're probably not going to be able to see the fibers, but you'll at least be able to see how the loupe works. And maybe that light's too bright. Well, no, that looks pretty good. Now, the top side looked clean, but when I flipped it over, it was difficult to see. But I could see one little fiber. And so that tells me it could probably stand to be flossed. So now if I have to invest in the brass sheets, at least I know that is the problem. So I'm going to be doing some more writing tests. I've really enjoyed doing these writing tests this summer. Since I'm out of school, I can just ink up all my pens to my heart's content, and I've got time to clean them out when I'm done. And I'm going to be doing some more writing tests with some of my larger nibs. So if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.